Oh, hello, how you going everyone? How are you? Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to use PancakeSwap, and we're going to do some actual farming. Okay, but before we do the farming, we have to set up your Metamask. Okay, so we have to connect that to the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so I'll teach you how to do that. And then after that, we'll be going to Binance and sending some BNB to your MetaMask address. And then finally, we'll be going to PancakeSwap and we'll be doing some farming. Okay, so it's a step-by-step tutorial, and I think you can get a lot out of it because let's face it, nowadays um, Uniswap is very expensive with the Ethereum fees, so this could be a real option. Anyway, let's get started. Before we get started though, please be sure to click that like button, okay? Thank you very much. Let's go. Okay, so before you actually get started doing some farming on Binance Smart Chain and PancakeSwap, actually what you want to do is set up your MetaMask so you can get onto the Binance Smart Chain. And there's a great little tutorial, okay, a written tutorial on Binance. So I'm just going to go through that with you really quickly. Alright, so get your MetaMask out. Alright, and basically all you have to do, okay, so click on your MetaMask. Okay, and then click on where it says Ethereum mainnet, and then click down to custom RPC. Okay, and in here you just insert the information from here, and I'm now on the Binance Smart Chain. Very simple. Okay, so you want to get onto Binance and you want to send some BNB because the Binance Smart Chain runs on BNB, not Ethereum. Okay, so that network runs on BNB, yeah. And you want to withdraw some BNB and send it over to your MetaMask. Okay. First of all, you want to get your MetaMask address. Okay. So just go back to MetaMask and you can see I'm on the Binance Smart Chain, and here's my address. I'll just copy that. Put my address in there, paste it. Okay, and you make sure you check the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, this is very important, otherwise it'll get all mixed up. Okay, and then put in the amount that you want to send. Super simple. Do some farming. So let's check out the farms on PancakeSwap. Okay, so I'm not 100% sure what I want to do here. So I'm just going to go through the farms first. Okay, I think I want to go with DOT and BNB coin. If they have it, DOT and BNB coin would be a good combo. They're both about the same ranking, so it might be pretty good. Both top 10 coins. Oh, DOT BNB, perfect. 76% per annum, and you're going to earn cake. Looks pretty good. Okay, so I need to add my LP to in order to farm this. So I'm going to get a DOT BNB LP and farm that. So there you go. So let's do a exchange. BNB, select DOT. Okay, and 6.8, 34 DOT, looks good. Confirm swap. Confirm transaction. Very nice. Close it. Alright. Okay, so as you can see, my DOT hasn't shown up in my wallet. Okay, so I have my DOT, but where is it? So let's see how to fix this problem. Let's see if we can find it in the Explorer. So here we have, can I find it? Binance. Oh, here we go. Look, you can find my DOT. It's on the Explorer, so 34 DOT is there. Okay, and here's the contract address. So if I copy that, can close that, go back to PancakeSwap, and let's add the token. Custom token, paste, add. Nice, there we go. I now can see my DOT. Okay, fantastic. Now let's go back to the farms. What do we got here? Liquidity. Here we go. Add liquidity. BNB, and let's select DOT. Here we go. DOT. Max. Add BNB. Approve DOT. Okay, and a 6 cents transaction fee. Fantastic. Looks like that's going to approve pretty darn quickly. Here we go. Confirmed. Nice. Supply. Confirm supply. There we go. Confirm. Transaction submitted. Let's close that. Alright, so I have DOT per BNB. Transaction confirmed. Okay, so there you go. LP tokens, I have 14.17. Okay, DOT 34, BNB 6.7. Okay, so let's have a look at my Metamask. Right, my LP token was automatically added, which is fantastic. Now what I have to do is go to the farms, and let's find the DOT BNB farm. Oh, it's around here somewhere. Here we go. East BNB. Let's join. Okay, so I've got 8 cents. Cost me 8 cents to confirm the contract. And that's confirmed. And let's stake that LP. Okay, max. Alright, and let's confirm it. Fantastic. There you go. Pending. There we go. Transaction confirmed. Perfect. Okay, and there you go. You can see my holdings just there. And I'm staking, and I should be making 79.13% APY. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. I'm quite happy with that. There you go. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Really simple thing to do, and transaction fees are very cheap. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that.